When the forests vanish, it's not just the trees we lose, it's our safety, our health, and the balance of life on Earth. What happens next could change everything. Previously, we uncovered what deforestation really means, the shocking speed at which it's happening, and its devastating link to global warming. But deforestation's impact doesn't end with the climate. It digs deeper into our soil, our ecosystems, and even our health. In this episode, we'll explore how deforestation is eroding the ground we depend on, leading to floods and disasters, while also exposing us to new and deadly health risks. And we'll uncover its toll on habitats and the species we share this planet with. Soil erosion and flooding trees and their roots binds the soil and protect it from wind and rain. Without forests or plant cover, the topsoil gets eroded by wind and flowing water. According to leading astronauts, Costa Rica loses about 860 million tons of topsoil every year, while Madagascar loses so much of its red soil to erosion that its rivers run blood red, and it looks like Madagascar is bleeding to death. Half of the topsoil on the planet has been lost in the last 150 years. In October 2022, the Philippine president blamed years of deforestation for the tragic mudslide that obliterated a mountaintop community during heavy rainfall, causing over 130 fatalities. Hundreds of people were killed by flooding in Haiti in 2004. According to reports in the aftermath of the catastrophe, the flooding was caused by the loss of 98% of the forests in the region. This catastrophe was classified as a man-made ecological disaster. In 2015, deforestation for illicit harvesting exacerbated floods in Kashmir, killing 18 people. Now let's talk about one of the major risks due to deforestation. That is risk of pandemics. Healthy ecosystems help prevent zoonotic diseases, which are illnesses that spread from animals to humans. Deforestation affects biodiversity as it drives animals out of their habitats, bringing them closer to humans and putting humans in danger of catching rabies and some other deadly diseases. One example of deforestation affecting the health of communities is when the Ebola virus killed over 11,000 people in West Africa after a toddler playing near a tree caught it from fruit bats, and then it spread to many countries. Malaria, which kills over 1 million annually due to infection by Plasmodium parasites transmitted by mosquitoes, has long been suspected of going hand in hand with deforestation. COVID-19 came from a thumb-sized bat, infected 94 million people, and killed 2,395,000 of them in the USA. Answers could stop such a calamity from happening again. When trees are burned, they release smoke, poisonous gases, and harmful particles that make the air even dirtier and harder to breathe. All these pandemics are the result of humanity's destruction of nature, according to leaders at the UN, WHO, and WWF International. Loss of habitat and biodiversity. As we all know, forests provide habitat for wildlife and support 80% of world's known biodiversity, especially the tropical rainforests. Deforestation can directly result in loss of biodiversity, as the animal species that live in the trees no longer have their habitat. According to IUCN's Red List, deforestation is a major threat to 85% of species. Many species are unable to adapt to the rapid changes in their environment, ultimately facing extinction due to the destruction of their natural habitats. It is estimated that we lose 137 species of animals, plants, and insects every day due to deforestation. This accelerated loss of species is contributing to what some scientists call the sixth mass extinction. Some of the most at-risk species include rhinos, chimpanzees, mountain gorillas, giant pandas, koalas, elephants, and several species of big cats, like tigers, jaguars, and leopards. And the list is infinite. Deforestation isn't just about losing trees. It's about losing the very balance that sustains life on Earth. The time to act is now, because protecting our forests means protecting our future.